All right, I'm going to work out day 7 math. I'm going to make a Python program, call it day7 math. Here we go. Close the files window. Put your name in a comment at the top. So hashtag your name, day7 math. Let's do the date too, 8/23/22. Actually, today for me, so the 22nd. Okay, print a message saying we're going to do some crazy math. Okay, we're going to do a while true loop. While true. Ask the user to enter two integers, store them into variables a and b. So a equals int input. Please enter an integer. That's a whole number, positive or negative whole number, or 0. B equals int input. Please enter another integer. All right. And now print you entered. Let's see, let me do comma A and comma B. Okay. And we're going to print the square root of A and then the square root of B. So what I'm asking you to do here is very specific. Print, quote, the square root of, and then I want you to do comma A. Notice the quotes ended, comma is. There's quotes again. And then we're going to do A star 0.5. That's the square root of A. So let's run this. Please enter an integer, 25. Another integer, 4. You entered 25 and 4. The square root of 25 is 5.80. And then it repeats. So you don't have to put spaces after the commas, but I'm doing it right now just to make it a little clearer. So we have a piece of text here. And then we have a comma, and then variable A, and then is, comma, and then variable A. And now I want you to do the square root of B. So you can triple click on this line. It selects it all. Copy, paste, paste. Whoop, almost. And we're going to say the square root of B is, and then there you go. Get rid of the A, put the B there. Now I want A raised to the B power. So we're going to type this out, print. So we're going to do A, comma, raised to the comma B, comma, power is, that's A star star B. And then triple click. I'm going to hit enter here first. Triple click on this line, copy, paste, paste, and now you can say B raised to the A power is, but you got to switch this too. We're changing all the things. B star star A. So let's do some numbers that are fairly small. Run. We're going to do 2 and 3. So the square root of 2 is that. The square root of 3 is that. 2 raised to the 3 power, that's 2 to the third, is 8, because that's 2 times 2 times 2. And 3 raised to the 2 power is 9, because 3 times 3 is 9. And then it repeats. So it's important to me that you're not just, you can't get credit, full credit for just typing this. I need you to make it look pretty, like it's looking pretty here. By the way, let's go back here and just print a blank line right here, because I want it to look like have a nice break where it says you entered 2 and 3, and then it goes ahead and tells us all our facts. So A modulo B, you're going to learn about this. I mean, we just learned about it. Print A, comma, modulo, comma, B, comma, is, comma, A modulo B. And that's you do A divided by B, and then this gives you the remainder. And this is B modulo A is, and this is the opposite. Okay, and then say if A is odd or even. If A modulo 2 equals 0, print A is even, else print A is odd. So if this, what this means is if you divide A by 2 and there's no remainder, then you know it's an even number. Otherwise, it's an odd number. So we can copy these 4 lines, paste them, and change them all to B's. I want you to tell me about A and B, whether they're odd or even. Now I want to say which number is bigger. So if A greater than B, and this, I want an if, else. If A greater than B, print A is the bigger number. If A less than B, let's say B is the bigger number. And then we want an else. Print A and B are, quote, are equal. After all of that, I want you to ask if they should run again. So we're going to say R equals input run again by n. And if R equal n colon break. And then after the loop, I want you to say goodbye. Okay, so we're going to try it, see if my program is done. 2 and 9. So square root of 2 is that number. I know that's true. The square root of 9 is 3. 2 raised to the 9 power is 512. 9 squared is 81. 2 modulo 9 is 2. 9 modulo 2 is 1. 2 is even. 9 is odd. 9 is the bigger number. Run again. I'm going to say yes. And I'm going to do 3 and 17. So yeah, a lot bigger numbers. And this time I'm going to say no. And it says goodbye. We're done. So that's the whole program. I guess almost the whole thing. I wanted you to, you couldn't see it all at once. There, now you can. Okay, I hope that helped.